Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. And I'm so excited because today I have my pink box delivery for September. I think it's September, October, not sure. But a pink box delivery is such a great lifestyle box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you wouldn't mind, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you really like it, a thumbs up. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So again, pink box delivery is a lifestyle box. I get it monthly. And I want to say it's like $36 a month. I'll leave the link below. But unfortunately, with shipping prices, it's about $8 to ship this box. And I do get it off of Cratejoy. And the owner of this box does an awesome job of just figuring out a theme for every month. And I believe this month is a fall theme. So it's fall y'all. And she puts a little message on here and everything that's in the box. Now, I don't believe there's retail prices on here, but you definitely get your money's worth. So let's get into the box. And again, beautiful wrapping. And for a couple months there, they were wrapping it in cactus paper. So really love that. So I hope you guys are having a great start of the fall. Here in Washington, it's starting to cool off. And I'm going to be stopping in Chicago to see my kids and then back to Arizona where the weather is like 80 degrees. So looking forward to that. So the first thing, it looks like a, what do you call, a wristlet. And they package it so nicely. Got the scissors. And it's definitely like a plaid fall theme. So you can put makeup in here. You can put, see if it has a pocket. It says, check me out. And it's open. So, and it's got the little handle thing so you can put it on your wrist. And this is really nice. So just to run to the store, run errands, and it's got the gold tone. So definitely not minding that. So that is really nice. And the next thing I see is just like a little wallet that matches that will go in there. So how awesome is that? I'll cut right into there. So this is great. It's got the same gold tone feature on here. And it says spendy. So you can fit money, a credit card in there, your driver's license. So that's really nice. And then again, you can just stick that right in here. And what's nice about this box is it makes a great gift. So if you just don't know what to get your girlfriend, your mother, your daughter, this makes a really great gift. So that was the first couple items. And then we got this big chunky thing. And again, oops, sorry, they wrap their items so nice. So again, it makes a great gift. So they're just not all thrown in the box. So whoever opens it will appreciate it. And it's taped. Wow, look at that. Talk about fall. Look at that nice pumpkin. It's like a little ceramic pumpkin. So I definitely like that. I don't do like a whole lot of decorations, but I do put out some really nice things that I do get in subscription boxes. So as soon as I get back to Arizona, this will be going out. So far it's like a 3 for 3. And then I got my pink box delivery, and I think there's jewelry in there. And I really don't wear like earrings because my ears just don't want to cooperate with wearing earrings. But I haven't quite packed up everything to go to Chicago tomorrow, so this might fit in my suitcase, which is really maxed out at the weight limit. Why can't I get in there? Let's just cut in there because I can kind of see through, so I know what's in here. So they are the cutest little pumpkin earrings. So I can bring them to my daughter-in-law. She's actually a nurse in a hospital, so I think they can wear earrings there. So I will bring them to her because my daughter, who's going to be there, has the same issue I do with earrings. So I can give these to my daughter-in-law. Exciting. And then something else that's wrapped up. Oh my God, I can smell it. It's a candle. And this is Green Daffodil, handmade by Green Daffodil, 8-ounce, average 40 hours burn time. That's quite a bit of burn time. And of course it's pumpkin. So let's see if I can take the lid off. Oh my God, it is definitely pumpkin. Now I know you can't smell it, but they've got the little spice things in there going, so I don't know if that's what's making it smell like pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I wish I can burn this right now. So not mad at that thing. Oh, and then we've got Everyday Veggie Slice Mask in pumpkin. This is definitely going to be going in my suitcase because I am going to be relaxing while I'm there, so a pumpkin mask will be perfect. So this is definitely a fall box. And I think we got a few more goodies in here. And we have cha-ching. It's a phone pocket. So I guess I've never received one. I guess you just stick this on the back of your phone and you can put money in there. So great for holding ID cards, credit cards, or cash. I guess this goes right back on your phone. So something different. So I guess I can try it. We'll see how that works. And then there's one more thing in here, and it's, oh, I lied. There's 2 more things, and these are, get out my trusty scissors. Are you guys all ready for fall? Do you decorate? I know I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and people have done like the tours of their home. So they have like the redone, they have all their pumpkin and stuff. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I think these are pillowcase covers. Wow. Now these I will definitely use. I think I have pillows. If not, I will definitely buy some. So this is one, and I'm gonna see if they match. No, they look like they're 2 different. Is this not a great box? I mean, there's a lot of times you get boxes and you're like, what am I gonna do with this? I really don't use this. But there is nothing in this box that I will not use. And again, it would make a great gift box. So maybe they are the same. So you've got pumpkin everything. Yeah, and pumpkin everything. So they are matching. this alone is worth getting the box for. If I can pull them up. And then what they do is that in the note that they send you, they've listed everything that you get. So they've got the festive ceramic pumpkin things, and it says colors might vary, and then it goes down the list of everything that's in here. And then they even tell you what's in next month's box. So let's read a little bit about that because you might want to get it. So next month's box will be a combination of beauty and home products from Skincare by Tarte, and Tarte is awesome. A smoky eye palette and lots of kitchen items to have you ready for Thanksgiving. This box will be filled with high-end boutique merchandise curated with the upcoming holiday in mind. Whether you're hosting dinner or just want to add some holiday touches, you're sure to love our pretty and posh October box. So this must be September. XO Merry Box Curator. So again, you just can't not get this box. So let me know what you think. Leave comments below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, why not? Again, it's free. And I do have a giveaway coming up as soon as I get back to Arizona. And nothing in this box is going to be included because I just love this box. So as always, you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time.